Welcome to Quinta Antigua and another of our experiments here. This is going to be what we call hot composting. The problem with compost in the Algarve is it's either too hot, too dry, too wet. It's not easy to do the normal kind of composting, which takes 3-6 months. So here we've got some chicken manure and horse manure, which is a lower in carbon, and we've got to alternate it with this, which is leaves, garden waste, bits of woodish things. I think I've even got an egg box or two in there, and this is high carbon. So we want about 2/3 that side to 1/3 this side. So I'm doing quite small layers of the high carbon and a little bit thicker layers of the low carbon. So we've got to get it about 1.5 meters high. So let's go. As you can see, hopefully it will start to get nice and hot inside this heat. At the end of 4 days we're going to mix it so that the outside is inside and the inside's outside. So at the end of 18 days our compost heap had cooled down, so obviously the process had taken its course. However, we were a bit disappointed because there were a lot of large pieces still there and we'd hoped that they would break down. So what we've done, we've sieved it and we've got this lovely rich compost that my orange trees are going to absolutely love. And we've left the other pile to start our next hot composting. We've now the proud owners of a wood chipper, so we're confident that using the wood chipper and all the materials that we've got here, we're hoping that we'll be able to create really lovely compost without having to sieve at the end. So watch this space.